Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Today I have a lot to do, but I'm starting the morning with, I'm watching some YouTube and I've just made myself an iced coffee. It's so good. It's like the easiest iced coffee and it tastes amazing. I'll show you guys how to make it like tomorrow when I make one, but honestly it's so easy. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, then I'm gonna get into some editing, and then I've got some, I need to do the rest of my giveaways, wrap the rest of my giveaways. So yeah, I've got a fair bit of stuff to do today, but yeah, I'm gonna start the morning. My coffee is like my breakfast, so yeah, I'm gonna have my breakfast and watch some YouTube, and then I'll get into things. Alright, I decided that I'm gonna go with my family. They're going out today, so I thought I'll go with them. We're gonna go to Eastlands, I think. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. So yeah, I'll show you my day. We're gonna get some Christmas shopping done, I think. So yeah, I'm excited. We're at Eastlands now. Say hi, pup.
Hi.
With my mum and my sister. Say hello. Hi. Say hello. No. Belle, say hello. I'm sick of this. Anyway, we're going to get some sushi.
Stop being a bitch.
I'm not being a bitch. We're going to get some sushi at the sushi train. So yeah, I'll show you what we get to eat. Look how cute this is. So you order. Look, they spelled Coca-Cola, not cola.
Is you get more in a can or a bottle?
In a can, I think, but that's full strength. So yeah, it comes around on this little train. That's so cute. I love it. Cool. Alright. Okay, this is what I got first. Looks like just a tuna and avocado. Very yum. I got myself a lemon lime bitters. Alright, this one's called a dragon roll. And then what are they? Do you reckon about like chicken? Fried chicken or something? I think so. Yeah. This is my absolute favourite chicken katsu. If you go to any sushi shop, try this place. It's so good. I'm looking at some lights. We're in Big W. I got Toby. I'll show you. I got Toby this cute little dinosaur teddy. And then I've just got the other boys some like a stocking. Got some little gift bags. And yeah, some other stuff. Oh. Is that you? Okay, we are done Christmas shopping.
How's this? No review.
Well, I'm telling my vlog that we're done for the day.
You?
Anyway,
What have I told you about?
we've done for today for Christmas
I've got a
shopping.
brand new car. I'm sitting in my Christmas present.
Shh! It's raining so much. So we all just ran in the rain. It's my mum, my dad. So we're really gonna head home now. I'll show you guys what I got when we get home. I'm really excited. I got
It's dry there and around mine.
yuck. Anyway, I've got like some little gift what are they called, like gift tags and like stuff for my nephews to put their Christmas presents in, and I'm so excited. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys when you get home. We've just put up some Christmas lights. Wow!
Holy moly!
That looks so cool. My dad almost broke his neck trying to do this, didn't you, Pop?
Don't get me, because I'm...
Wow.
No.
That's better.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is so cute.
Nah.
Hang on.
It's really sick.
Oh, that's pretty.
How's that?
Wow, that's so cool.
I love it.
There's more. Wait, there's more.
Ooh, that's fancy.
And then the other one should.
Like slowly come on.
Oh, I'm hoping.
Yep. Ooh. Very cool. What do you think? Are you happy?
Yep.
Alright. Oh gosh, I don't even know where I'm up to. So I showed you guys the lights just then, but before that I had a nap. And I slept for so long that I actually thought it was the next day, and I was so confused. I was like, you know, I actually think I slept into the next day, and then I noticed my dog wasn't in bed, and I was like, well, it can't be the morning because I would have brought her in. Anyway, I got these two, and they're really nice. They're the Lindt peppermint cookie, like chocolates, and they're actually really good. I'll just show you what I got today because I didn't get to like fully show you before. I've just got a few bits and bobs, and now I just have something to get for my sister and something to get for Sam's family, and I'm done. So yeah, first I got this for Toby, my nephew. I think that's so cute and he'll love it. Well, he's a baby, but you know what I mean. Like hopefully he, I don't know. Anyway, I got these for my nephews. So I got 3 of those. To put their little things in. I didn't honestly get them a whole lot this year. I got Toby that, and then I just got them gift cards. Christmas is just expensive, and yeah, like sometimes it's hard, but for the boys I just got them. So for Toby I got him that, and then for the older boys I got them a stocking each, and they've also got their gift cards. So yeah, hopefully they'll be okay with that. Then I got these cute little gift tag like stickers. Look how sweet they are. The gingerbread one is my favourite. So cute. I got this for my mommy. It's a Coles Maya gift card. It's like meant to be the Maya one. That's what she wanted. I got this for my sister's boyfriend. It's just like a little Christmas card, and it has M&Ms inside. And I think that's everything I got today. So yeah, I've got pretty much all my Christmas shopping done now. I just need to get 2 more things for my sister and some gift cards, and I'm done. But anyway, I'm going to McDonald's now with my friend. So yeah, that's what I'll do now. Alright, back from Macca's now. I got this just like a frozen Coke and a cheeseburger. I'm just exporting my vlog now. I thought I already did this, like I swear I did, but apparently not. Anyway, that's fine, so I'm going to export that and upload it now. It's only 4 hours late. It's fine. But yeah, I'll probably go to bed soon. Probably read some more of my book, and then yeah, after this is done I'll go to bed. But I didn't really end up doing much today just because I spent the whole day with my family, which I don't mind because it's not very often that I get to, if you know what I mean. So yeah, anyway, that's fine. I'll show you, I'll like do one more check-in before I go to bed, I reckon. Hey guys, I'm like 90% sure I forgot to film an outro last night because I went to get Tilly and I was like, oh cool, I'll go to bed, and then I spent 20 minutes trying to warm my cat, so I just forgot, and by the time I got to bed I was just exhausted. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 5 or day 6, gosh I don't even remember. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.